The DJI Neo 2 has emerged as one of the most buzzed-about ultra-compact drones of 2025. And after digging into the details, it's easy to understand why. With a remarkable combination of performance, portability, and price, the Neo 2 positions itself not just as a toy drone, but as a serious filmmaking tool for creators, vloggers, and cinematography enthusiasts alike. The drone market has been primed for a shakeup. For years, makers like DJI have balanced flight time, camera quality, and portability. Now with the Neo 2, DJI emphasizes democratizing cinematic aerial imaging, giving users high-end features at a more accessible cost. Starting at an unexpectedly low price for what it offers, the Neo 2 promises to bring professional-grade 4K aerial footage into the hands of more creators than ever before. Keywords: compact drone, 4K aerial footage, portable filmmaking drone, drone for vloggers, budget cinematic drone. In particular, compact cinematic drone, vlogger drone under 250G, consumer pro drone, mini drone 4K 60 aerial, DJI ecosystem integration. The standard combo is expected to start at US $229, which includes the drone, one intelligent flight battery, and the controller. For those wanting more accessories and flight time, upgraded Fly More bundles are priced in the range of US $279 to US $499. Looks like a typo in the transcript. $4,929. Likely meant $492? Or $429? Assuming $499. These bundles include additional batteries, a carrying case, and even a motion controller edition offering immersive FPV-style flying. Timing. The official announcement is slated for November 2025, with full retail availability expected by January 2026. This aligns with DJI's strategy of launching just ahead of a New Year push when creators renew gear. A $229 entry point makes it significantly more accessible than many comparable drones. The tiered bundles give upgrade paths. Basic users can start small. Power users can invest in flight time and accessories. The late 2025/early 2026 timeline means it will likely hit in time for creators planning gear refreshes for the new year. One of the standout features: DJI appears to have engineered the Neo 2 to stay under the 250G weight threshold, which is a major advantage in many countries with lighter drone registration rules. This keeps it in the ultralight category, avoiding heavier drone bureaucracy. Equipped with a 1,660 mAh intelligent battery, the Neo 2 pushes its flight endurance to about 25 minutes, up from the original Neo's 15 to 18 minutes, while maintaining the sub-250G weight. That gives users more flexibility for real-world aerial shots without needing constant battery swaps. Wind resistance. Rated to level 5 wind resistance, meaning it's built to handle moderate gusty conditions more reliably. Top speed. In sport mode, it reportedly reaches 16 meters per second, enabling brisk motion, sweeps, and dynamic aerial movement. Transmission system. Uses DJI's O4 video transmission system, the same used on higher-end DJI models, offering up to 10 kilometers of low-latency stable feed, even in challenging signal environments. This ensures strong real-time control and monitoring, especially helpful for advanced cinematography or solo vlogging. Sensor. A 1/3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of 4K recording at 60 frames per second, supporting 10-bit HDR/D-Log-M for greater post-production flexibility. Tracking. Introduces Active Track 6.0, enabling precise subject tracking and motion-based cinematic movements, even for creators who aren't expert pilots. Control options. Gesture and voice controls are built in, making the Neo 2 more accessible for beginners and casual users. Smart flight modes. A suite of assisted cinema modes such as Quick Shots, Waypoint 2.0, Smart Master 0, and Master Shots enable users to capture polished aerial sequences without advanced piloting skills. Ecosystem and